Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would start out vlogging today and I have a haul. I went to Winners. I got a lot of like home decor and just random things that I need for New York for next week. Also, I have my new launches coming, so I wanted to show you guys that in today's video. These babies right here are the pink and beige travel cases that are going to be launching on Valentine's Day. So if you follow me on Instagram, I have posted so many reels. I've been doing tons of content for these babies and I'm so excited. I'm going to be traveling as well with them. So I mean, I'll have lots of like vlogging that I'll do next week, travel vlogs. Also just had the little thank you cards arrive today. Look how cute. And they're double-sided. Perfect for travel. But yeah, in this video, I thought I'd just catch you guys up on daily life, and office is finally looking like an office again. I got everything out. I can actually see the floor now, and it is, yeah, it's time to get organized. It's just been so busy lately, but I'm really excited. I'm really excited for the new launches, also for the trips coming up. So New York Fashion Week is next week. And make sure you guys are following me on TikTok. I did like an entire get ready with me this morning on there because I love watching those. And yeah, so I'm gonna start my day, but I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and also stay tuned for the middle because there might be a giveaway, one of my new travel cases. Have a mimosa. I'm gonna do a bunch of like reels right now with packing for my trips, so that is coming. And we ordered from Ladybug Cafe, which was so delicious. We had that this morning, and I also just had this come in the mail, you guys. This is like a game changer. I filmed some TikToks with this, and like if it's dark, oh my goodness, like look how bright that is. And it has different settings as well, so there's like the cool light, the warm light, and I'm bringing that to New York. It is amazing. Also, funny story, Sophia found these, my nipple coverings, and she was like, Mommy, what are these? What are these? They feel like jelly. I was like, oh, okay, let's not play with those right now. Yeah. And also I got ready with all of my baby doll brushes. They are really dirty because I had to film a few different reels, so I kept doing my makeup over and over again. That sometimes happens if you're filming, but right here, baby doll collection, my favorite. So nice for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna get into the giveaway portion of today's video right now. So I'm giving away a baby doll set, which is a 15-piece face and eye, and then your choice between a beige travel case or a pink travel case. And I've posted so many reels of these. If you want to go onto my Instagram, both the business page and then my personal one, I've done a ton of videos on these. They are life-changing. You can put your jewelry in here. You can put like little samples in here too, which I really like. You can put your lashes in here, scissors, also your skincare, your makeup. It is just like a must-have if you go on trips or even just like a weekend getaway bag. So all you guys have to do is comment down below what your favorite things to do on the weekends are. It could be anything. Like going somewhere with your family, or if it's just like going to a cafe, getting coffee, yeah, ice skating. Just let me know what you guys do on the weekends, and also just make sure you're subscribed, and that's it. Also, I'm going to link these down below. I actually got these for just videos and photos with the new travel cases, but so many of you guys were asking me about them, so I will link it down below. It just comes in a nice set, and they are really cool. They're like a matte finish. And then right now, what I thought we could do together, I am going to pack my mini bag. And just, I don't know, I like watching what's in my bag videos, and it's kind of cool to see what you pack for like every day. And for me, like I definitely switch my bag up a lot. I want to say every week, and I have the mini bag, so I'm tempted to just like change my color and stuff. But I'm gonna go in with the pink just because we're getting close to Valentine's Day. I thought we could pack it together. Okay, I'm gonna start out with my wallet. I've been using the black Chanel. It's just big, can fit everything. But this is probably one of my favorite wallets, the iridescent pink Chanel wallet that I got a while ago when I was in Santa Monica. So I'm gonna use this one because I think it's just super pretty and it's perfect for Valentine's Day. Also, I wanted to show you guys my Ipsy brush in the February bags. Let me just open this. So I'll put that in here. And there's different slots in here too. Like it has a pocket, so if you wanted to put your wallet in the back pocket, you could, which is a nice spot. And then you can fit larger items in the center area. So this is right here. Look how cute. It's got hearts all over it. Let me know if you guys are getting this in your Ipsy bag. I've seen a lot of people already post it. It's great. You can either use it for, I'd say, blush or highlight. Very multi-use. You could even really use it for concealer, bronzer, like anything. So I'm gonna put that into my bag. Next would be perfume. You guys know I am a huge perfume junkie. I try to change my scent weekly. Sometimes I do it every few days, and I just like to change it. I don't know, it makes me happy. Like scents, I'm a huge scents person. I always have been. That's probably why I've done a lot of like perfume fragrance collections in the past. Let me know if you guys would like to see an updated one. I haven't done one in a long time. And this video today is sponsored by Scentbird, and you guys would have seen me talk about Scentbird in one of my earlier vlogs in the month. I'm all about testing out new fragrances, and the nice thing about Scentbird is they send you a new one every month for $17, and I know I showed you guys their cards too, so it comes with the information on the back here. You can tell the different scents, and for me, like, I just think it's so nice for travel. I am a huge travel junkie, as you guys know. I like travel size items, and these are so easy to travel with, and I just find that they look so luxe, and they're so easy to use. You literally just turn it and spritz it. And the nice thing too is you can take them out and you can like replace them as well. And this one has probably been one of my favorites. This is the DKNY Be Delicious. It's very like appley and fruity, and it's just super nice. It's also like a very springy scent, I would say. This is also a 30-day supply. I would honestly say this lasts longer as well. And the nice thing is you can go on their website after and purchase the entire full bottle if there is one that you've been really enjoying. The nice part too is you guys can actually select which fragrances you want to try out for the month. So the 3 that you want to try, you can pick yourself. And honestly, I think before investing into like a full large size bottle, it is really good to test it out. I know I'm a huge lover of actually wearing it on the skin for a while before I purchase something. So I just wanted to mention that. Also, these are so easy to travel with, and I love putting these into my travel case. One of these into my bag, I literally carry this around every day, and especially if you're out a lot during the day, I like to spritz it. And also, I wanted to let you guys know you can still use my coupon code. So it is Slmissglam2 to get 55% off your first month at Scentbird. Like I said, I'll also have that down in the description. But yeah, definitely a game changer with your fragrance game. I just love being able to try different scents. So thanks, Scentbird, for sponsoring today's video. Also, I have this makeup bag that I got from Ipsy. I love this. It's just so, like, I don't know, summery, and I've always loved this design and print, so I do have this. And then I basically just have some makeup brushes in here. There's this Pixie palette that I have been wearing a lot of. Look how pretty that is. We've got brushes in here, so I'm just gonna put that in there. 2 powders I have, one by Chanel, Laura Mercier. I don't know why I love this so much, but it just like mattifies my skin without looking cakey, and it's really lightweight, and it doesn't look drying at all, so I've been really obsessing. I actually want to get this in the large size. This is the translucent loose setting powder. So I'm gonna put those into my bag. I almost always have gum with me, so I have that. Throw that into my bag. Hair clip. I love the beige one, so I will link these ones down below. That's also going into my bag. I also have my phone, and this is Casetify. They have sent me so many phone cases. My girls on here, and I love their phone cases. Their phone cases are awesome, so I'm gonna put that in here too. Now from the front pocket, I usually put lip gloss, jewelry. Ooh, I have a little blush in here. I've got my lipstick. This is my favorite color, JK Magic, Charlotte Tilbury. This is the one you guys always see me in. So I have that. And then my car keys. I've got my lash glue, Burt's Bees. This is actually such a nice lip, hydrating lip oil. Burt's Bees, passion fruit. What else do I have in here? Oh, I have another little one. Everyday coconut oil, lip balm, lip oil. So I've got that. I also have a hairbrush, so I usually put that into my bag too. Oh, look at this. See, I had another Scentbird in my beige bag, so that was the one I was using from last week, and I'll show you what scent I have in here. I've been kind of alternating. Ooh, and this is the white one. So pretty, so we have that. And I can't remember which scent I have in here. So this is the Bitch Please, Confessions of a Rebel. This smells really, really good. So I do like that one. Could put that one in here too. Have 2 fragrances, why not? And then I have headphones, which I always bring, especially if I'm traveling. Those definitely, you know what, let's put it in the side pocket. I don't wanna put that right here. Okay, so we have a full bag. I'm gonna close this up. I just wanted to show you guys how I pack my bag. Boom. And also just to let you guys know, I am going to do a full packing video. I'm gonna film it tomorrow since I do need to pack for New York. I'm gonna pack my luggage with you. I'm also gonna pack my travel cases with you, which I thought would be really fun. All my makeup, my skincare, my jewelry, my clothes, my shoes, everything. So let's do that for the next video. Also hair care. You can also put hair care in here too. I just never mention it because as you guys know, I wear wigs, so there's not a lot of maintenance for me. But yeah, it definitely is nice just being able to store everything in here. Also has a handle, so it's really easy to carry. It's cold in New York, so I definitely have to wear warmer clothes. I'm probably gonna bring my little black Chanel bag. This is really nice if we're just going to dinners and stuff. I don't need a larger bag, but I will probably bring my mini backpack for majority. Like if we're going shopping or if we're running around for the event and stuff, I definitely will bring that. I have so much clothes that I got here from Hot Miami Styles. So this is all for New York. I definitely have to wash everything. I've done lots of like outfit videos on Instagram. You guys probably would have seen. If you haven't, I'll enter like a little clip here so you can see. A lot of you guys liked the second outfit, which is like a nice kind of like, gray, sort of gray, and it's silky too, which is nice. So I'm bringing that to New York. I have a few outfits here that I got for Rhoda. This is actually really nice. This is like a crop sweater, which I think would be really nice with like a skirt. And what else did I get? Oh, I got this set right here. So this is actually a set for the airport. I always like being comfortable. So it's like a nice rosy pink. Sweatpants, sweatshirt, comfy vibes. And then I got this really nice light pink sweater. Very like Valentine's Day colored. Super soft from Levian Rose. I had to go get like underwear and stuff. And then also my robe that I got, which was 30 bucks. I also have my day planner, which I'm going to start using this because my gosh, when did I get this? I got this for my birthday 2 years ago and I have yet to use it. I brought up the hangers too for my pants. Can definitely do like skirts on here too, but that is the Samantha Pine home that I got from HomeSense, and of course it was a little dark when I was filming it because it was like 6 a.m. So I apologize for that clip, but I definitely am so excited to start packing and share with you guys in my next vlog what I'm bringing. Okay, good morning. I quickly wanted to show you guys what I did yesterday. The girls are awake right now. I have to take them to daycare soon, but I vacuumed. I can finally see my floor here, so I'm gonna organize and clean with you guys today. Yeah, like I'm getting ready for New York. There's just stuff everywhere in my office. I got these arrived yesterday, but I'm thinking they're too long. Sorry, I literally just woke up, so that's why I sound like this and I have to have coffee. But yeah, quickly want to show you guys that. I have a lot of the black sets that arrived. These are going to New York. It is early in the morning. I literally just woke up. I made a coffee. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what I needed. I am going to Chantel's today. We're getting out like a ton of the travel cases for PR, and we just have a lot of work. New York is next week, but I wanted to vlog this quickly because I wanted to show you guys what I bought. Look how cute these boots are. Hold on, I hope you can see here. So I got these boots. I thought they would be good for New York. They look comfortable too. From Winners, and then I got some runners because I've been needing new runners. These are like the Reebok ones. They're pink, just plain. Good for the airport, good for walking around. Okay, so I'm really excited. I got this. This is like, okay, this was expensive. This was $69, but I thought this would be so nice in my office. So it has gold and just like the marble. It's really, really heavy. Luxe. I think it'd be really nice for flat lays too, for like photos, videos, and stuff like that. So I got that. I got this. This is for my office. It's got like wood at the bottom. I can put papers and stuff in here. Beautiful vase, look at that. So I have to find a little like floral arrangement for this, but I thought this was really pretty. It was $40. Again, I think my office. And I will definitely show you guys after today, like once this is all cleaned up and my office is looking like an office again, then I will show you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to do that quick little haul. And then also this basket, I'll show you guys quickly too. This one here, so cute. So this is gonna go in the girls' room. It's like a little hamper. This was $30. And I am gonna go get ready now because I'm probably gonna be late, but wanted to vlog quick. Okay, so these definitely fit. They're so cute. And my floor is still a mess because I'm still cleaning, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys these. I think they'll be so cute for New York. I am going to overlay for a quick second here just to show you guys what's going on Thursday. So we leave for New York Fashion Week, and I'm so excited to take part in it, my brand, and I'm going to vlog. I am going to bring all my filming equipment, and I can't wait to share with you guys everything that's happening. Here's a little video so you guys can kind of see behind the scenes and what's going on, but we'll be there for 2 days in the show, and we're gonna be backstage a lot, mingling with the models and the makeup artists, and we will have our brand there showcasing, so brushes and accessories and things like that. I am so excited. Obviously, it's gonna be a lot of work, and I can already tell. We're there for 5 days though, so we get to explore and have a whole day to ourselves, which will be nice. And then we are off to Santa Monica 3 weeks after for Ipsy. So I'll talk more about that too, but I just wanted to share that quick. And I thought we could do like a little fun. Sometimes I like listening to music and just watching kind of like overlays and relaxing and not talking, because I know I talk a lot in my videos, but I am going to put everything into my makeup case here and just show you guys how I store everything. I did want to mention as well, it does come with a dust bag, which is so nice. I love using these just to protect your case, but you can also use it for other things. I know I've put my wigs into these sorts of bags, but super nice, super thick, and so great to travel with, so that was a must. All done. So quickly just wanted to show you guys that. Make sure you enter the giveaway. I think that is where I'm going to leave today's vlog off. I feel like I've been vlogging this whole weekend, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Of course, travel vlogs are on the way. I leave Thursday, pack with me video. I'm going to try to get it up even before I leave. Also, did want to mention one last time, thank you again to Scentbird for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys go to my description and click the link. You will get 55% off your first month using my code, and it's right here, which is so nice to travel with. Which would be really great. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to enter the giveaway for the baby doll set and then a travel case of your choice. I hope you guys have had an awesome week so far, weekend, and of course, I will see you guys in my next vlog.